So what's up guys, in the previous tutorial we have seen how to download exe file of Python. So in this tutorial we will be looking at how to install it. Okay, so this is that file which is python hyphen 3.8.0.exe. Just double click on it. Okay, so now what you have to do is just click on this first option which says install now, and it will be installing. It will install all the packages, libraries and whatever that is required by us. So just make sure that you are following these steps really very carefully, because if you are not following these steps properly during the installation process, then later on you will be getting lot many errors and you won't be able to fix them. Okay, so just keep close eye on how I am doing this, because each and everything during the installation process is important. Otherwise during the execution process you might encounter lot many errors. Okay, so now as can be seen, setup was successfully installed. So now you just have to click cancel. Okay, just directly go to the command prompt. When it comes to the command prompt, you just have to go and type out cmd. Okay, so this is the command prompt where you have to check. As can be seen, I'm getting this error which says Python is not recognized as the internal or external command, which means there is a problem while installing Python. Okay, so let me see what is the issue. So now what you have to do is you just have to click on the modify if you're getting that error. Then just make sure that all of these things are click. Okay, and click on next, and there is one more step over here which is add Python to the environment variable. This is important. If you're not doing this, then you will get lot many errors. Okay, so now you have to click on install, and I think after this this should work. Click on close, and again go to your command prompt and type out Python. So now as can be seen, I'm getting this output which says Python 3.8.0. So if you are getting this output, that means installation is successful. If you are not getting this, that means there is some problem during the installation process, and you have to check out what are the errors that you are getting, and just make sure that whatever steps that are told by me, you have followed those steps really very carefully and properly. Thanks for watching.